Hello parents and students. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get onto Microsoft Teams. This is software that our district uses for communication purposes, for assignments, for grades. Usually the upper grades have been getting used to using this, but they are recommending that through distance learning we start to utilize this software and get our students used to it. So today I'll show you all the steps on how to get on and what the purpose of it is. So starting, I would just log into bridgeportedu.net. So coming onto the district website, so then here I would click students. And now you see the district, the distance learning portal is already here, so you just click log in. I'm just going to sign this person out so I can show you directly how to get in. One moment, please. All right, I'm already logged in, but I'm going to use a student account to get in. So it's just their student number that they always use, but you have to add at bridgeportedu.net. That's super, super important right here, bridgeportedu.net. Otherwise, they won't be able to log in properly. And then it's just their regular password that they usually use, which is their date of birth, month, and the day. All right, so you can click to stay signed in or not. So I'm not. This is a student account that I'm using. All right, and then we're in. So you can click Teams. And then you would just click the one that's already here in Ms. Salerno's class, 2019-2020. All my students are preloaded into here. They can talk to me, they can chat with me, we can chat together. They can actually video chat me. There's a video button here that allows them to do that. So I could have group lessons, or if they want to talk to me personally just to check in about the assignments. It's a really great way to interact, and moving forward I could put assignments on this, especially in the upper grades as they move along in the next few years. They are going to be utilizing this software. Also, another great way, you can have the app. I have it on my phone, so that's a really easy way to just download it on iPad, tablet, anything of the sort like that. So you can use the application, you just go to your app store and download it that way. So, all right, I really just want to express how grateful I am for answering my emails, for messaging me on Remind, answering my phone calls, getting your students on SplashLearn and Epic. It's really, really great to see, and I appreciate your patience as we adjust to this process. Just a quick update, all of the distance learning packets are already online here. So you would just hit elementary, second grade, right on the district website, and here it is. So this is the packet that you can either print out, or starting tomorrow, they are available at Winthrop for a quick grab and go from 8:30 to 1 o'clock, I believe. So please pick up packets, make sure you have what you need, and I'll be available, for all school hours. I'll check in multiple times a day. I'll be available through email, via phone, via Remind, whatever it is that you or your son or daughter needs. Please feel free to reach out. Again, thank you, and we will talk soon.